For today's video, we will show you how to convert US dollar to Philippine peso. So let's begin. Alright, if you're dealing with someone or business in a country that uses pesos, converting your dollars to pesos within PayPal can facilitate smoother transactions without the need for external currency exchanges. Say for example, when you're also traveling to a country that uses Philippine pesos or making purchases from a vendor that accepts PayPal and pesos, converting your balance helps in making payments in the local currency. Because keeping your PayPal balance in the currency you frequently use or need can make managing your finances simpler and more efficient. So how do we do with that? It's very simple. All you're gonna do is in your mobile device, open the PayPal app, right? Or log in using your credentials. Or if you're here in your computer, go to paypal.com. And once you are here, say for example, my initial balance here is $12. So for us to convert the dollar to Philippine peso, all we're gonna do is click on the three dots here and click convert currency. Right? You can also do this in your mobile app. But always be mindful, guys, of conversion fees and exchange rates offered by PayPal because they can impact the amount that you receive after the conversion, right? And also always check the fees and rates before making the conversion because it's not always the same in the current market rate. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.